Hey guys, today I am going to be showing you how to put on a camera strap, and it works for just about any Sony camera. And yes, it does work for the mirrorless cameras, so stay tuned. I know a lot of people don't know how to put on their camera strap and don't feel dumb. It's super common. I didn't know either, but I didn't get a camera for many years, but now since I got a new one, again, I know how to do it at this time. So any camera that has these like dangly things, you see these things, it should work. This should also work for Canon, Nikon, whatever, not only for Sony. But yeah, I'm going to be showing you how to do that today. So what you're going to first do is just take this out, this strap. Let me move this out of the way. And your camera strap should look a certain way. And as you can see, so the way that it actually comes out, hold on. Yeah, okay. So you see the way that the camera strap is, right? That's actually the way you want it on your camera. So they actually show you a demonstration of like how you want your camera strap. Okay, so I'm just gonna stretch this thing out. Hopefully you can see the whole thing. Alrighty, so we're gonna start with the right side. And you're gonna just pull this thing out. You see this? Pull this out. Actually, almost want to move this just so you guys can see the lighting better. Yeah, I just want to make sure you guys actually see this properly. So yeah, you want to take this thing out, this little part. Just take that thing out. Okay. And then now you want to do that again. Take that other little part out, and you're gonna have to make some room for it to come out. There, now it's actually out on that end. And we're gonna just start off by taking this thingy out. Just make sure not to lose this thing. So, okay. So I'm gonna be taking this long strap, if this camera can only focus closer. Okay, now I'm actually zooming in a little bit, showing you. I'm gonna fit it in that little hole again, in that little thing. That is, see, first one, go in, and then you can choose where to leave this band. I kind of like it out a bit more. Some people like it a bit farther down, like myself. Guess I'm just gonna pull this now, and it's like that. You see, that was one. It took a while, guys, sorry, but I promise this one should be quicker. So for the next one, I will also do it with you guys, because a lot of videos just only give you one, but I think you guys get the idea. So here's the thing: take this thing out, you have to make room, pull this out, then just hope you guys can actually see. Well, ta-da! Okay, now it's out. Smart. You want to make sure that you pull this thing out when it's double. Put it over here on the band, facing downwards. Okay. You want to just put this in and then try to pull this one up a bit more to give it some room. You want to go down. And voila! There is your strap. If you guys did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Alright, bye guys.